What's up, you guys? It's your boy CJ Brand here, and on today's episode, we're going to be unboxing this $10 selfie light pod, actually, that we went ahead and picked up at Walmart today. It was just $9.88 in one of those little boxes, you know, in the aisles. It said, "Hey, pick me up, I'm only $10, buddy." So we went ahead and got it for $10. So we're going to be unboxing this and also testing out to see if this bad boy will actually work out. Hopefully it will. It comes with a tripod, an expandable grip arm, and with a 360-degree view. Also has a flexible selfie light. I'm really digging to see what, the selfie light gonna be looking like. So they say that you can use this for social media, podcasts, vlogs, selfies, and video. So let's go and get right onto this box. Let's go ahead and test it out. Right now we're using one of our own mics, but we're actually gonna unplug it and use the microphone that's actually with this. So let's go ahead and see if this $10 thing is worth it. See? I done broke the box. Okay, so it's basic. I guess it's $10. This is exactly what it came in. It makes me feel like that this thing has been used or something. Like, let's go ahead and get it out though. So here goes the tripod and here goes the light. Looks like this thing is going to be battery powered, but that shouldn't be a big deal. This comes for AAA batteries. So we're going to have to go grab us some AAA batteries somewhere. Just take 2 of them, so it shouldn't be that bad. Looks like this is from Selfie shot. So hopefully this isn't bad. Hopefully it's actually, decent quality. I don't expect this to be like, something like an $1,000 microphone or whatever. And also, this is going to be my first time doing this. So we're going to test it out too. Let's see. Then here goes the little thing. The gripper. Okay, well, it goes this way. Hopefully this iPhone can fit on there, but that's that. So then we got us some more. Well, we don't need batteries, we got batteries. There goes the batteries. Hopefully it is a microphone in here actually, because it is. And no, there's not a microphone. That's not a microphone. That was this. We have been bamboozled. We've been bamboozled. Wow. It straight up looks like a freaking microphone. Like, when we picked this up, we were like, oh yeah, we get a microphone with, actually, here's a better picture. It was like, oh yeah, we get a microphone with this and everything. I guess they said for $10 you ain't getting it at all. So let's go ahead and plug this bad boy up right quick. I'm going to screw this on and we're going to test it out. So whatever. So this proof that I don't have anything hooked up to my DJI or anything. Also went ahead and turned off both of my ring lights that I have on. Studio light, it's gone. Other light back here is gone as well. Won't show you that. But also got a lamp on right quick. I'm gonna say right now, I don't think here I probably can't show you the light. Here goes the light, and I mean, you can continue to press the buttons, to turn it bright or whatever, but this is as bright as it goes. So let me turn my lamp off real quick to show you guys some more. Like, I mean, it's okay, but you're probably still gonna, want to buy you some studio lights or whatever. So, like I said, we picked this up for Walmart just for $10 or whatever, and it's okay, I guess, but nah, I'll give it a pass. I mean, if you're just starting off to be a YouTuber or whatever, or you just want to make TikToks, you can hold this thing up. So I'm trying to figure out what the heck does she have on here. I don't know, but it's like a spoon or something over here. Like, whatever that is. But yeah, I mean, it's only $9.88. You just get what you get. It's $10 or whatever. So me personally, I won't be using this at all. Most likely what I'll be doing is giving this away to somebody, because unfortunately. But yeah, that was the $10 selfie light pod. Honestly, I really thought it was a microphone included with it, but I guess we were wrong. So it's whatever. So let's go ahead and wrap it up, I guess, because yeah, this is what it also came with. I'm actually very disappointed. I'm pretty sure you guys can tell probably, but I'm very disappointed right now because I was straight bamboozled. I thought it was a microphone included. I really wanted to test that microphone out because we had some ups and downs with that ceremony microphone. That was horrible. That right there was horrible. But yeah. So there you guys go. That right there was the Selfie light pod we got from Premiere. This was only like $9.88 from, I guess, a Self Shot Premiere or something like that. Here goes the company's name, and then they got Self Shot. That probably is the name of the thing. But if you guys are interested, I'll go ahead and link that this right here below. And yeah, check that out. Make sure you guys go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe on this video. Make sure you guys follow that Instagram, Twitter, and subscribe to the YouTube channel. We'll be back with some more tech unboxing very, very soon. Peace out, you guys.